Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G100. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, enter settings. Go to security, screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's select non. Now, swipe, password, pin, and at the end pattern. Now you can go to fingerprint and scan your fingerprint. Fingerprint scanner is right here. And the last way to unlock your phone is face unlock. Scan your face in this area. My face is now scanned, so let's use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.